Remember when Santa Claus That's What I Do I Bake and K No Things Christmas shirt made fun of him for having good-looking hair? And called him Breck Girl. Then they nominate Donald Trump, the vainest man around, who literally wears orange makeup and spends tens of thousands of dollars on his hair. The irony is dead. Just think, if AOC gets 2 more haircuts, she will have paid more than Donald did in taxes. Yikes. Remember how, before he pulled a Newt Gingrich and ended his career, the biggest complaint Republicans had about John Edwards was he had gotten an expensive haircut and he had spent an exorbitant amount on hair care, and how ridiculously unmanly that made him. Santa Claus That's What I Do I Bake and K No Things Christmas shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Republicans have Santa Claus That's What I Do I Bake and K No Things Christmas shirt no position. They only say what they need at that. Other products.